Okay guys, we're gonna do a few more MREs. This is United States MRE, cold weather. As you can see, it's white to camouflage with the snow, I guess. So the inspection day of this MRE is 2022. We're gonna open it inside and see what year it is. Actually, there's as you can see, a little view over here, so it's easy to open bag. So this is menu number 5, chicken and rice. Let's see what we got inside this MREs nowadays. In the cold weather MRE. There's a spoon. So first of all, first strike looks like Nutrition Energy Bar, cran raspberry flavor. That's cool. What is this? Mountain House. This is camping food. This is freeze dried chicken and rice, and it's been vacuum sealed, as you can see. So all we have to do is boil the hot water. This is cheddar cheese pretzels. Ooh, delicious. What else we have here? Filled French toast, shelf stable. Wow, French toast in a bag over here. And you got here chocolate, hazelnut, cocoa beverage powder. So as usual, we're going to make it. And this side here, accessory pack. Check this out. We have a miniature hot sauce in there, towelette, paper towels. This is Tabasco. Beautiful. Gum. What is this? Freeze dried coffee, creamer, sugar, and obviously we'll need matches, whiteheads, to get the water going in case we need to boil water. Okay, let's open this sandwich in a bag. I never had a French toast like that. Oh wow. Okay, that sandwich actually looked like, I don't know, like pirojok. Actually, I think I had that before. It's been a while since I've done an MRE. And there is a energy bar. Wow, check this out. What do you think? Okay, and let's boil water and make some freeze-dried food. Should have opened this first because now my hands are slippery. There you go. This is what it looks like while it's freeze-dried. So you'll have to boil water, and so you got right here the powder. You boil water and just fill it up, hot water to that line. Where is the line? Right here. So kind of eye it, maybe put a finger in there, and approximately same amount. Okay, that's about to the line, and then you can close it and let it brew. So now same thing over here, you just fill it up and reseal it. But I kind of messed up the packaging, so I'll put it in a plate so you guys can see what it looks like before and after. Wow, that's a lot of food. Maybe in the bag is a better idea, but I'll cover it up with the lid. It's just like ramen noodles, you know, in those freeze-dried packages, just like that. You can just cover this up like a lid. Boom. Alright, wait 3 minutes till that is done. Make sure it's all the way shaken up and mixed up inside there. Okay, and then we got it here, hot chocolate. Boom, half a glass. Okay, while our food is cooking, we can snack on pretzels. They're delicious. Has cheese inside of them or something? Yeah. Cheddar cheese pretzels. That's good. Is it there is stuffed cheese inside of this pretzel? Quick taste. Oh wow, this is nice. Really desserts last. I'll tell you what, these pretzels are so good. Quite a few of them in there too. Should use up this paper towel, get my hands clean before I eat. That's what it is for, not after. So you have clean hands. Okay, it's been a few minutes. It looks like it's been very well cooked already and ready to eat. It's very hot in that plate. Delicious. Very well seasoned. First of all, I really like that rice with that sauce on it. The plate is hot. Let's try to find a piece of meat. There you go, there's a chicken. Definitely tastes freeze-dried-ish. But I'll tell you what, for camping food, this is very delicious. I can survive on that pretty easy. Wow. Can't believe this food can stay good in a bag like that for more than 6 years. Depends which one. Some of them 30 something years, 50 years shelf life for this freeze-dried food. So that's a really delicious survival food right here. French toast. I think I had that before actually. That's delicious. I don't know where else can you buy a French toast like that, except this MREs and camping food. Stays in the bag for a long time. Very good. This is, to me, looks like a granola bar, energy bar. Alright, yeah, flavor on point, good. And by the way, this is pretty healthy stuff out here. A little bit of cereal in there, and just like one of those energy bars. Delicious. High calorie, what you need from camping, hiking all day long. That's what these MREs are made for. Don't eat 2-3 MREs in one day. They're high calories. They're meant to eat one bag of this every like 6 to 12 hours. Depends how long is your camping mission or whatever. So you eat one of these, or like you eat the meal and save your granola sandwich for later. But this is so delicious. Oh my god, I can't stop. Look at it. Thumbs up for me. That was very delicious. Cold weather freeze-dried MRE.